Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for shell scripting. Codeium's AI powered features can make writing and managing shell scripts faster and more efficient. So let's get started. First, ensure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new shell script file or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you type your shell script commands, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply press Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested command or snippet into your script, speeding up your development process. Codeium can assist with various aspects of shell scripting, such as writing commands, loops, conditionals, and functional definitions. It offers intelligent suggestions based on common scripting patterns and best practices. For example, if you start typing a loop or conditional statement, Codeium will suggest the complete syntax and provide contextually relevant code snippets to help you write your script more efficiently. Codeium also helps with error reduction by suggesting correct syntax and flagging potential issues in your shell script. This makes your scripts more robust and less prone to errors. To customize Codeium's behavior for shell scripting, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your structure and readability of your shell scripts. It can recommend optimizations and better scripting practices to enhance your scripts. Review and test your shell scripts regularly to ensure they work as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better scripts, but always validate the functionality through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for shell scripting. This tool can significantly boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient shell scripts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.